How to enable dark mode in LinkedIn on your mobile device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable the dark mode on your LinkedIn application using your mobile device. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to the top left corner, that is your profile section, and once you're inside your profile section, simply click on the settings, and once you click on settings, just head over to the account preference settings, and from over here you can see the display option where it says dark mode. Simply click on it. As you can see, it's enabled on the light mode. So what you can do is you can either use the device settings, which is also dark in my case, or you can simply click on dark mode, and there you go. That is exactly how you can convert or enable dark mode in LinkedIn on your mobile device. So if you want to turn it back, you can just head back and click on light mode, just like this, and it's done. So hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.